How to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Bybit and make sure to sign in with your Face ID or passcode. And then you're gonna need to simply click on the spot on the bottom right. Once you click there, click on the convert on the top left of your screen again, and as you can see, we are on this particular window where we can simply select our from section by clicking on it and searching for USD. After that, as for the to section, simply search for USDT just like so. Then you're gonna need to enter the amount and then click on the purchase option. Make sure to also adjust the slippage settings and make sure to select your account from which you are transferring your USDT for the conversion of your USDT. Once you do so, you are going to receive your USDT right on your Bybit wallet. So hope this helped. This is how you can convert USD on USDT in Bybit.